Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Gerald speaking, and I'll be sharing with you how you can actually scan the food that you buy every day and get some rewards. Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so right now, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon so that every time when I upload new videos like this to help you to earn extra money, please you will get a notification. All right, now let me show you today how you can actually get rewards by scanning your food that you buy on a daily basis. And this is through this National Consumer Panel, which I will leave the link to this website right below the link description below. Now here, this is the website to the National Consumer Panel, and what you can really do is to become a panel member by clicking here, where you actually get to earn points. Alright, so let me explain how. So what you need to do is just to fill up on this right hand side and to fill up all the details that is required to sign up. Now, how it really works as you expect as a panel member is, first of all, you get to receive access to their exclusive NCP mobile app. So once you install this mobile app, which is available on the Android or iTunes, okay, you get to download it onto your phone. Now, the next thing you need to do, very simple. Every items that you purchase, all right, you need to scan the barcode of the items using the NCP mobile app. From there, you share the shopping data with NCP, and in return, you get to earn points to redeem for gift card, merchandise, and many more. Alright, so you can get rewarded with gifts, entries. Alright, and here you can see as shown, you can get to earn gift cards, this PlayStation, okay, TVs, and so forth. Now, what does the other members who are already a panelist, what are their feedbacks? So here, take a look. All right, here it says, I give my opinion and get the gifts I want. Cool, oh cool. All right, and this is from Tony T. Robinson. Okay, now I love being a member of NCP. It's so much fun and rewarding too. Good or good. Alright, this is from Johnson. And another one, NCP give you a chance to express your opinions. Alright, Ken Jimmy. Okay, now, so you just need to fill up the form, and that's how you actually get to become a panel. Now let me bring you to another place on this Google Play. If you are on the Google platform, alright, take a look at this. Amazing. Getting a rating of about 4.3 for a total of nearly 16,000 reviews. Okay, this is very good. All right. Now for the Apple Store, okay, you get to the rating is about 4.3 over 2.4 thousand ratings. All right. So when we go shopping, all you need to do is pretty much subscribe as a member and then scan. After all, every day you and we are purchasing something from the retail stores, right? So this is a way to earn extra item, gifts, and cash, and therefore you should give it a try. After all, it's extra something that we can earn, right? Now, definitely this is not a passive income. This is just a method, a technique of earning extra income. And if you are interested to find out my #1 recommendation of how to make a full-time passive income, please check on the description and also the first link in the comment. So till then, stay tuned for the next video where I will share with you more ways of earning money from home.